What's the name of this color again?
This is Evening Orchid, and this is Dusk Rose.
This is called Evening Orchid from Ford, and this is called Dusk Rose from Ford. These are original factory colors, hence the license plates Rare 1 and Rare 2. Very cool. I'm like amazed. This is a 1982 Deux Chevaux made by Citroën.
No, we use that cone over there.
Look at this neat little thing inside here. So what we're looking at is a two-cylinder car. Yeah, that's right. I said two cylinders. The engine's right back here. And take a look inside. How neat is this? So this is a two-cylinder car. It's made in France. It's a 4-speed, clearly. And it's very little and cute and adorable. It's got the retractable vinyl top right here. And here's the front of it. That's the Deux Chevaux. What's the name of this color again?
This is Evening Orchid, and this is Dusk Rose.
This is called Evening Orchid from Ford, and this is called Dusk Rose from Ford. These are original factory colors, hence the license plates Rare 1 and Rare 2. Very cool. I'm like amazed. All right, Rare 1 and Rare 2. Look at those license plates. These are two 1967 Ford Mustangs.
I made the mistake of saying that these cars weren't factory colors when in fact they were. Very, very impressive and beautiful cars. Check out the rest of this video.
But wow. Look at this. That's the interior. Clearly. What a beautiful car, huh? And look at the inside body lining. And this right here is the pink one. And again, there's the engine. It's pink, 1967 again, with the white interior, like an ivory white. Wow, that's so pretty with the wooden steering wheel. That's crazy. With the white Landau top. Thank you. Gorgeous car. What's the name of this color again?
This is Evening Orchid, and this is Dusk Rose.
This is called Evening Orchid from Ford, and this is called Dusk Rose from Ford. These are original factory colors, hence the license plates Rare 1 and Rare 2. Very cool. I'm like amazed. All right, this is a 1963 Chevrolet Corvettes in the ivory white with the gray side stripes. Look at that, yeah. Okay, with the red interior. Sorry, I'm going crazy here because I geek out over this stuff. You guys know that. And it's got the automatic transmission. And what I like about this is when General Motors was making this car, they really thought about design. Look how pretty the rear end is. You can see right here the exhaust pipes on either side of the car. It's just a pretty overall car with the white walls, the knockoff rims, and again, the red interior. It says 160. I would not do 160 in one of these cars, but that's a different story. Beautiful car. And over here, you can see the driver's side, passenger side binnacle, where it shows Corvette. This is a 1911 Ford Model T. And you're your own starter right there. You're your own starter. You could do that all on your own. There's the starter gear, the tools that came with it, the wooden wheels, and as Henry Ford said, you could have this car in any color you want as long as it's black.
No, that's the speedometer and the odometer.
And the wood interior.
Cool.
This is a Model T. So this is the Travant. We looked at this before. This is from the East Germany, the former Eastern Bloc. And you can see this right here comes from East Germany. Very neat little car. I mean, very utilitarian. It didn't have all the bells and whistles on it. So this is a 1989 Travant from communist East Germany. Gentleman purchased it from the original owner on eBay and then shipped it over here under the antique car law. Look at this. This is so cute. And look inside. Again, it's very utilitarian. There's nothing, you know, like crazy about it. It's just a really neat car because you don't see them every day.
Well, how do I put it? She's German, but she's born and raised in Scotland. So she is.
So how do they end up in the British system?
I didn't want to go crazy and film tons and tons of cars. Look, you always hear me say, oh, this is a nice car, this is a nice car, oh, this is really neat. Keep watching the channel. You're going to love the stuff that I'm starting to get into. So again, if you like this type of stuff, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.